Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious English mint sauce. This classic condiment is incredibly simple to prepare and elevates many dishes. We'll start by gathering just a few key ingredients. You'll need a generous bunch of fresh mint, about 1/2 cup finely chopped, along with white wine vinegar, granulated sugar, and a tiny pinch of salt. It's a quick and rewarding process, perfect for any home cook. Now let's get to the preparation. First, thoroughly wash your fresh mint leaves and pat them dry. Then, finely chop the mint, aim for pieces about 1/8 of an inch. Transfer the chopped mint to a small bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and a small pinch of salt. Finally, pour in 4 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. Stir everything together gently until the sugar begins to dissolve. The next crucial step is allowing your mint sauce to rest. After combining all the ingredients, cover the bowl and let it sit at room temperature for at least 10 minutes. This resting period is essential because it allows the mint's oils to infuse into the vinegar and sugar, creating a more robust and balanced flavor profile. You'll notice the aroma becoming more pronounced. Give it a final stir before serving. Your homemade English mint sauce is now ready to enjoy. It's a perfect accompaniment to classic dishes like roasted lamb, but also delicious with grilled chicken or even new potatoes. You can serve it chilled or at room temperature, depending on your preference. If you have any leftovers, simply transfer them to an airtight container and store them in the refrigerator. It will keep fresh for up to 5 days, ready for your next meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.